So what we want to start doing now is start wrapping our brains around this concept of, you are what you eat, and understanding, what is the composition of the human body biochemically compared to the composition of the foods that we put into our body. All right. So this is the concept of you are what you eat. So let's compare the chemical composition of an average human with some chemical composition of some foods. All right. First of all, this is this particular pie chart here is the composition of an average human body. Okay. This is the composition of an average human body. The human body is mostly water, 60% water, 20% proteins and carbs, calcium and phosphorus, and then the other 20% is fats. So basically, a human being, excuse me, is a bag of water with certain things dissolved in the water and certain solids existing in the water. Okay, so I like to think of a human as just a bag of water. It's kind of trivializes the human condition, but nevertheless, chemically, that's basically what it is. So water is obviously very important for a healthy individual. That's why you can live longer without supplying food to your body than you can without supplying water. This balance of the amount of water that we have and water coming in and out of our body is very, very important. So water acts as both a reactant and a product in a lot of metabolic reactions. And we'll look at that when we look closely at some common biochemicals. It also serves as a coolant and a thermal regulator. Okay. For your body. And it also serves as a solvent. Okay, so it's a reactant, product, and solvent for the chemicals that are moving, around your body from organ to organ. It's the solvent of blood. It's the solvent to various degrees in all of your organ systems. It's the solvent inside and outside cells, you might say. Okay, so water is very important. And then the other 40% of the body is broken down into fats, and then proteins, carbs, calcium, and phosphorus. All right, so let's compare this composition of the body to the percent composition of water, fats, carbs, and proteins in different foods. All right, first of all, if you just look at the first food, white bread, the major component there is carbohydrates. Milk, mostly water. Let's see, chocolate chip cookies, mostly carbs. And peanut butter is actually, a lot of people think peanut butter is a good source of protein. It does have protein, but it's the best source for fat. It's mostly fat. Whereas steak is mostly water, and then protein next, fats third. And tuna fish, again, mostly water and protein. All right. And so you can see why if you want to try to sort of mirror your body composition with your diet, why you want to have a well-balanced and well-rounded diet consisting of different food groups. You've got to mix up different food groups, foods from different food groups in order to balance out the types of foods that you actually need to keep your body in good homeostasis. Okay? So it's not surprising, I'll point out, that steak seems to be very similar to humans, since steak, is the muscle from a mammal, not unlike yourself. Okay.